First, light strip testing. Connect the light strips and power them on. Make sure all working. Scan the QR code on the white box. Download the app. Turn on Bluetooth and link to SP107E. After a successful connection, enter the debugging stage. Check all the light strips if there are no problems. Start the installation. By default, it is in voice control mode. Let's change it to the light screen mode. On the left below. Part 2. Circuit layout. The wires need to be prepared by the customer themselves. Top light fan and starry ceiling film lamp connected to the same set of 220-volt wires, which come down from the lamp slot between the PC sheets. It is connected to the external electrical box through the air conditioning pipe hole. A set of circuits was made from the outside electrical box and connected to the control switch. One controls the exhaust fan and the sob film lamp. A control side ambient light strip. All the circuits in the house are connected to the electrical box through the air conditioning hose. The electrical box is equipped with a leakage control switch. Prepare the tools. The customer prepares them by themselves. 1 4mm Allen wrench, 1 5mm double-ended hexagon socket head to waterproof glass glue, 1 10mm hexagonal nut, 1 T-shaped socket, and 1 pointed nose pliers, 1 hand drill plus 6mm cross drill bit, 1 flathead screwdriver, 1 escalator with on 8-meter wire. 3. Bottom installation. PC sheet assembly. Assemble the bottom aluminum profiles into a circle. Then fix it with small connecting accessories. Then fix it with this kind of self-tapping screw. Next, tear off the protective film of the sheet to this position. Next, attach the light strip and align this end of the wire with this round hole. Note, light strip should not be attached to the sheet. Space on this side with holes. After all the light strips have been pasted, we can install the panels. First step, install the door panel. Note, the side with the dot light strip needs to be installed at the bottom. To install the screws on the dot side panels, first step, install the waterproof gasket properly. The screws for installing the dot side panels have nuts inside. First, fix the positions of the upper, dot, middle and lower screw holes. Then, assemble a hole and dot, make adjustments. Put all the boards together in the same way. Next, install our door. First, install the door handle. First, test if it works. Just align the door with the slot position and insert the sheet. After the door frame is placed, fix with screws. Screws are fixed on the door frame. Look down, left and right. Next, let's install windows. First, insert it diagonally like this. Then use a flathead screwdriver to lift one corner. 时节定. Place the threshold in the right door position. Fix with 3 screws. 3. Top installation. The top profile is laid flat on the ground to form a circle. The outer circle of the profile with wheels. 9 wheels for 1 curtain. Two large connecting accessories are inserted into the inner slot. Fix it with flathead screws. Note, not use the self-tapping screws pointed heads. Tear off the back adhesive of the LED square light and evenly stick it on the inner wall of the top profile. Fix each LED bead with a screw. An electric drill makes holes on the side of the exhaust to connect wires. Before installation, connect the wires of the exhaust fan, wrap with electrical tape, and conduct a power test. The uppermost hole is open to detect a match, 4 in 1 circle. Tighten and fix it with this type of screw flathead and a washer. Seal the gap with a circle of silicone glass glue. Cover the top cover and drill for self-tapping. Screws pointed heads in 1 circle. The screws are also sealed with glass glue.
我们顶部形态的卡槽对齐之后放上去。
Two people lifted the top cover and 1 person inside responded. Adjust the top cover until it snaps into the profile. Fix the top cover and profile with 0.5 to 7 screws in a circle. Make small holes on the inner side of the profile with an electric drill. The wire runs through the lower hole from the lamp slot. The insulation is numbered diagonals first, then midpoints on both sides. Insert the rubber strip into the profile and press it with a scraper. After the film is installed, slightly spread dotted in the middle to fit the exhaust fan. Fourth, curtain installation. Install a curtain clasp on the dot second screw from bottom to top. Install a curtain clip at the screw position higher than the door. Curtain railing link to thick tubes with a small tube in the middle. The railing is not installed across the door. Fix the snap position with screws. Hook insert curtain's position. The wet tape outside and the dot hook is hung on the pulley. Sixth, finishing work and dot acceptance criteria. The waterproof tape is inserted into the gap of the profile and dot compacts with a tool. Check the position of the screw dot holes after tightening the screws. Turn them back. Have a turn. Waterproof gaskets should not warp. Put waterproof shims inside and outside the house. After install the down cover, fix with 6 to 8 screws in a circle from the outside. To sheet's joint position, the bottom of the sheet and the aluminum needed to be fixed with screws. House bottom profile outside, a ring of glass glue. Glass glue to the inner bottom profile. Glass glue around the door outside. Threshold and the PC sheet with glass glue. Glass glue around the window. Finally, in the profile inner slot tool, fix the ground screw. Wooden platform to place self-tapping screw pointed. Tall cement platform requires expansion screws. Install video at least twice to start the installation. Avoid the wrong installation and reassemble.